A lot of clouds to talk about here Tuesday. Nothing really happens today. It's later tonight and tomorrow that we have the biggest impacts from this next storm system. But it's a cold day out there. Breezy winds out of the northeast, 16 degrees. Feels more like 1 degree right now in West Des Moines. A lot of dry air in place for the time being. Check out the temperatures. Much colder than yesterday. Bitter cold up across northern Iowa. Single digits there from Spencer over through Emmitsburg, Algona, Mason City, Fort Dodge sitting at 5 degrees right now. Check out the wind chills. This is what it feels like out there. Feels like anywhere from 10 to 15 below up across northern and northwestern portions of the state. For us here, if you're in central, southern, southeastern Iowa, much of the day today I think will be spent feeling like single digits, maybe low teens for some of us, but we keep the breeze around today. So it's a cold afternoon. Clouds aren't going anywhere. Again, we're dry. If you have things you want to get done today before the snow hits tomorrow, definitely do them this afternoon and evening. No big issues until I would say at least probably midnight or so do we start to see some snow showers begin to develop and move into central and southern portions of the state. So we do see snow developing overnight tonight as we're sleeping, and then we wake up. This is paused around 5 a.m. tomorrow. We begin with light to moderate snow showers pretty much statewide here as we start off the day on Wednesday. That snow will continue. Light to moderate snow showers off and on, or at least for the majority of the day, will continue on Wednesday. So you're waking up in the morning. We definitely will have already accumulating snowfall on the ground, and then we are adding more to it throughout the afternoon. We keep the snow showers going through lunchtime across northern, northeastern into southern Iowa. This model kind of backs off the snow by tomorrow evening around dinner time. I think the snow lingers through at least dinner time or so, and then it does wrap up by Wednesday night. So by tomorrow night, say by 8, 9 o'clock, the snow comes to an end, but we already have a good probably 6 to 8 inches on the ground for much of central and southern Iowa. Latest snowfall potential here, the further north you go, and especially north and west, the lesser amounts that you will see, but I think a good chunk of us across the state, especially into eastern Iowa, are in that 6 to 8 range, maybe some higher totals there as we head into the afternoon. Here's what it looks like as far as it feels like temperature goes tomorrow. It is going to stay cold. Plus we'll have all of that fresh snow on the ground. Cold temperatures as we head into Wednesday, of course, and Thursday morning will definitely be a cold one. But tomorrow, while it's snowing, it'll feel like sub-zero temperatures out there for much of the day. So snow starts after midnight, persists for much of our day on Wednesday, then comes to an end Wednesday night. But the roads will be slick and snowy for the majority of the day on Wednesday. Tonight's forecast drops down into the single digits, and then tomorrow, once again, with the snow, we'll be back into the teens, low teens for a lot of us. 8-day forecast gives us a break on Thursday before we see some more accumulating snowfall likely by late Friday into Saturday.